my family, like they just want me, you know? They just
Mm.
don't want the bullshit that goes with my addiction. They want me, you know?
Mm.
And that's what they're getting at the moment, you know? Like, I live with my auntie and my dad, and me and my auntie have some really awesome chats every night, and,
Yeah.
you know, she's great. Shout out to Auntie Shell. Like, yeah, and like, she my whole life, she's seen through my bullshit.
Mm.
And like, I was like, shit, she sees through it, you know? And like today, we sit there and chat for like hours every night, really deep.
Mm.
And it's really amazing. I have a really good connection with Money Show, and it's really amazing that we do that. I love her a lot, you know, and to be able to get that connection back with my dad,
Mm.
you know, is huge. We used to butt heads when I wasn't well, because
Yeah.
I know I didn't realize I was the one that was not well, you know,
Mm.
and like, and I'm the only addict in my family, really. I'm the only black sheep, you know, so
Mm.
it was hard for dad and mum, especially, to realize, like, what do we do here, you know? And then when I
Mm.
saw that father at this meeting, that's a feeling of helpless. That's what
Mm.
and I saw my dad standing there in front of me, and like, fuck, you know? Not only did he lose my mum, he lost a son. And that really, the weight of that really drives me today, so he can have his son back, you know?
Gifts of recovery.
Yeah, it's huge, man. Like, all I want is a good relationship with dad, and we've got that. We're getting it. It's growing every day.
Mm.
And I love my sister so much. And like, so she was young. She's younger than me. And she's copped the grunt of the bullshit that
Mm.
I've created, you know? I don't think I'll ever be able to fully apologize for that. Like, and like, but I do in my bottom of my
Yeah.
heart, I mean it. And yeah, and yeah, it's really a lot of emotions, because like, I didn't realize how much pain. Even my sister, like, she'd pick up calls from my lawyer saying he's in jail again, sorting all the stuff up behind the scenes, which I didn't realize, you know, because I wasn't well, you know.
Mm.
You know, and she's lost a lot of time out with mum when she was alive too, because mum was visiting me in psych wards, you know. So I'll never make up for that. But as you said, a living amends.
Mm.
So I don't know. Because I was always good earlier, trying to get clean. Oh, I'll do this, 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 and this. Really,
Yeah.
well, mouth warrior, when I wouldn't do. I had no actions behind the speak, you know. But like now, as I said, just watch me do what I'm
Yeah.
doing, you know. I don't have to talk about it.
Mm.
You know, if you ask me a question, I'll answer it.
Yep.
But I'm not going to say I'm going to do this, this, and this. Well, I'm
Yeah.
not doing this, this, and this.
Well, it's
You know?
about them and enriching their,
Yeah,
and as an uncle as well.
that's huge. Like when, yeah, that's huge. Like, yeah, she sends me photos of him and that, and little Bodie. Like, I haven't, like, and the best thing is I haven't used
Yeah.
since he's been born.
Mm.
Like, so he's going to get a good uncle,
Yeah.
you know, like, you know, and like, and I'm really grateful for my sister to let me be in Bodie's life. And, you know, my sister has a husband, Kyle. He's like 6'8". He's a great person. He's a good human.
Yeah.
You know, he's a great family. Kyle's awesome. You know, and yeah, just I'm really blessed, because I have a good family, which I'm the one who did the damage and that, and now we'll spend the rest of my life forever making it up for them, showing them that I am, by actions,
Yep.
that I'm growing every day, and I'm capable to be there for you guys too. You know, when you need me, you know what I mean.